Tips for choosing the right investment strategy for you. Money. It's what drives people to achieve more, reach higher, and fight for what they deserve. It fuels our society and yet causes immeasurable heartache if you don't have any. What does it take to get money? Investing is one avenue you can take to gain profits, but only if you know what it takes to do it right, so read on. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Always track the market before you decide to enter. Prior to laying any money down, it's always smart to research the company behind any stock and to be aware of current market conditions. In the best case, you will be able to watch the market for about 3 years before investing. This gives you the ability to make sound decisions, leading to greater returns. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. Whatever your original investment portfolio size might be, and no matter how large your end goals are, you can do it. The insight you now have, after watching this video, hopefully, has given you the power to take your financial future into your own hands and mold it into everything that you have dreamed of. Now all you have to do is to just do it. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.